Hey guys, so I'm going to do the learning lab for lesson 1 with you. So we're going to start this lab by finding the weight of 10 hamsters. So each hamster, it says label a tape diagram with the total weight of these 10 hamsters. Well, what's the total weight? The total weight is 1 kilogram. If 10 hamsters weigh 1 kilogram in all, okay, then one hamster weighs 1/10 of each piece. So each piece, there's 10 pieces or 10 hamsters. Each one is 1/10 of the weight. So that means 2 hamsters. Let's look here. 1, 2. 2 what? 2/10. 3 hamsters would be 3/10. So when we look at this, we're not looking at the spaces. If you watch the video, he's talking about how the whole space is 1/10, but where we put it on the number line is at the little line that's there. So this would be 1/10 on the number line. So how much would be 2 hamsters? 2/10. 3 hamsters, what would you do? You're right, 3/10. Let's see what they say.
If 10 hamsters weigh 1 kilogram, then one hamster weighs 1/10 of a kilogram. What else do we know?
2 hamsters weigh 2/10 kilogram. 3 hamsters weigh 3/10 kilogram. We can count by tenths to label the rest of the number line.
Exactly.
So let's label the rest of the number line. 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, and what do we know as a whole? 10/10.
Now let's see what this looks like on the scale. The scale says that one hamster weighs 0.1 kilogram. This is a decimal number. We read this decimal number as 1/10, just like the fraction 1/10. The decimal form is written as 0.1. The dot in a decimal number is called a decimal point.
So label the weight of one hamster using a decimal number. So this would be 0.1. We're going to skip through so that you can see. So what would be 2 hamsters? It would be 2/10. What would be 3 hamsters? Go ahead. Correct answer is 0.3. 3/10. So, the missing one would be 0.5/10. And you guys do this one before I put it in. If you did it correct, you put 0.9.
What do we know about tenths?
We can write 1/10 like this, or as a decimal number. These numbers represent the exact same value.
Yeah. Another example is 9/10. We can write it in fraction form or decimal form. These numbers share the same spot on the number line, so I know that they are equal.
Also, I know that 10/10 equals a whole. 10/10 is the same as 1/1 and 0/10.
Right. 1.0 is the same as 10/10.
Great job. Let's try to find other equivalent numbers.
So 2/10. What would 2/10 match up to? 2/10 would match up to, how do we do that one and that one? 5/10 would match up to this one, and 6/10 would match up to 6/10. Ooh, let's try this one. You go ahead and do this one yourself without me. 4/10. You should have gotten 3/10. 9/10 equals 0.9. So 9/10, how would we write 9/10? 0.9. Nine tenths. How many more tenths do I need to make a whole? If I'm here, I only need one more tenth to make a whole. So 9/10 plus 1/10 equals 1 whole. 0.9 plus 0.1 is 1 whole. One more. I wonder which one they're going to do. It's 8/10 equals 0.8. Ooh, you go ahead and do that. 8 plus what makes a full 10? 2/10. Zero 0.2, because 2/10 is written as 0.2. So now that we finished your math learning lab, now you can go on to Tower of Power.